Yes, good morning. So today, before we will make a paralegal work video, I am sending my gratitude to the viewers of my previous videos in paralegal works, particularly those who like it by heart. So those from Visayas and from Mindanao and also those who are in Luzon. So obviously our video in paralegal works will average 12 likes, and I pray that this video will reach 12 likes again. So our paralegal works as of now will be involving illegal termination. So for example, you are uh, uh, worker, then you come in my front so that you will ask for help that you were be that you was illegally dismissed. So as a paralegal, obviously, particularly myself, I am a fourth year law student already. So I will get the facts of your problem and I will refer it to a lawyer. And obviously the lawyer will refer you again to the lawyers that uh, the lawyer knew personally. So obviously they are their classmates in law school or their friends among others. So in illegal dismissal, for example, we will have, let's say you are a security guard. Then as a security guard, you were placed in a floating status because there are a lot of workers already. So let's say a redundant. So sabi nga, mas marami pang security guard kumpara sa kliyente ng bangko. So for example, uh, as a security guard, you are placed on a floating status. And after how many months you are not rehired or you are not being assigned to different businesses or different uh, banks, whatever it is. So in that case, you can file an illegal dismissal because if you are placed in a floating status, then it will reach only for 6 months. So if it is more than 6 months, then you are being dismissed. It's either constructively or expressly. So you will ask for the claims through labor arbiter or labor mediator. If not, you can go to the nearest court. So next, if you are a seasonal worker, then for the next season, you are not rehired by the employer. Then in that case, you were possibly illegally dismissed also. So example of seasonal workers are those working through seasons only. So for example, if the farm, so obviously in the time of planting, that's planting season, so you are hired. In harvesting season, you are not rehired. So that's possibly you are illegally dismissed. So then for the cases where employees in big establishments that were dismissed because of retrenchment or any analogous circumstances where the business needs to survive than the employee, then that is management prerogative. So in management prerogative, it is the prerogative of the management to dismiss an employee because uh, continuing his service will just make the business in the kumunoy or loophole of being bankrupt. So that's it for illegal dismissal. So this it is a broad topic. So at least you have an idea or if you are illegally dismissed. And if you are illegally dismissed, then find the nearest lawyer that you know. So just tell them that bar reviewee or fourth year law student paralegal refer you to them. Thank you, good day, and God bless. Please like and share.